What are you doing, Mom?
I'm trying to open to see what else we need. It's very heavy.
So we're replacing the door, right?
Yes.
Do they have screws in it?
I think they do. Let me see if...
Maybe we should take out the old one?
Yeah.
Looks pretty firm.
This one's better than the old one. Oh.
Yeah, that one looks better.
See? This one they have very, very good. The old one is not very good. I will show you the old one.
I have an idea already.
Yeah?
Yes.
And this is the leg, I think.
Those are the legs, yep.
How come the leg so short?
Yeah. It's short.
Yeah.
It's for the barrel. Got a whole bunch of stuff in here. The whole kit, basically. Just to make your camp stove.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, this is too short.
Well, once we get to the coop, we'll show you how to redo it.
Yeah.
Okay, baby, let's go. This is my firewood. Cho nên giờ cho tờ nữa. So, I'm going to replace this door lock because mine is leaking. So, I bought this from Menor.
Okay, so let me show you. Oh. So I'm going to replace this yellow firewood, and this is kind of leak the smoke. Yeah, so the smoke come here. So we have to replace everything, and it's probably going to clean. Oh yeah! Put apple vinegar in because we cannot open.
What does it do?
To see if the nail loose. Before we cut the nail, it's not easy to replace. Oh, almost got it. Okay.
Is that the new door?
Mm-hmm. That's the new door. You know, maybe we need to put the gasket around so it will not. This is the gasket maker. I'm going to paste around here, make sure no air go through or no smoke come out. And so, oh, we could put in here. So I put the gasket over because this is old and some space kind of dim a little bit. So I just put the gasket in. So, $1.
Go.
Okay, so I'm going to do both in the top. Then I will type or anti-seize. Put in the nail, prevent from rust. Oh my god. Mình có tinh thần là nên sẽ kho có chú gì cỡ cũ nữa cũng mua gì còn cũng hồi lúc chia mình cả ô nó cả ít bộ chơi chậu chỉ mua nhẹ chỉ muốn nó kho thôi. I buy a new one that it cost me $190, so I decided to replace by myself.
How much was the part?
$60. Just let you know, woman, I can do, you can do, woman can do.
What was the hardest part?
The hardest part is cutting the old nail. Take all the old lock. The door.
The holes are not aligned.
Oh my god, baby egg. Okay, so we done.
Yay!
Hopefully it's working. And I'm going to use the gasket around. Be nice to sister. Oh, how the ball, huh? Be nice. No, no, no. Eh? Because the old one, the smoke come out here everywhere. So everything, make sure no smoke air go through. Okay, so I'm done tonight. Hopefully everything's working. No smoke come out. And cua ta là xa thì cũng lúc họ chú nó nì rong cho khỏi ya ta nữa mà lúc họ trung nó đi ba lúc họ trung nó cua rồi kì cho ba họ tôi thì cũng cho cái nó watch tàu ba của tôi watch tàu ba. So hopefully what the nó là chia sẻ bố nó theo cô nó cũng mà cho nên sao. Oh, let me see. For smoke come everywhere here. After you close the door. Oh. Well, not too bad.
No smoke.
No smoke.
Good job.
Good job, huh? Before smoke come everywhere here. Wow. Good job. Haha. Yeah. Wait, Dave. Baby. Good. Looks good. No air go through. Very nice. Right? Good, baby. Are you sure? Warm? And there's my baby chicken.